Do you have a summer party to plan? So do I. We're gonna head to Costco. You're gonna come shop with me. I'll show you the whole haul with prices. If you are gonna plan a summer party too, plan with me. Are you ready? Aprons on, let's go. I'm in my apron today planning one of the many summer parties we're gonna throw here in our home. The first party that we're throwing right now is our son's graduation party. I did share with you a graduation party that we put together for our oldest, and that was back in 2018. If you'd like to see that video, click below. We actually had it catered. This year we're not. We're gonna grill out in the back, but I wanna do something different, something that will feed a crowd, because honestly, I don't know how many people are coming. I don't. That's just how it is here. People don't RSVP. I don't know. I went onto the land of Pinterest and I saw hot dog bars. Are you kidding? They looked so good and easy, and I want something that is so ordinary but yet feels gourmet. So how do you take an ordinary hot dog and make it like awesome? Yeah, you do all the toppings and not just your boring ketchup, mustard, relish, or onions. We're gonna bring this up a notch and make them gourmet. Let me share with you what I have planned in the planner for this party, for the menu. This is our She's in Her Apron planner. I'm so excited for the 2023s. We're working on them right now. This planner is a 4-month planner, and it goes from May till August. These 4-block sections are perfect for planning any party. So here is the menu. We have the hot dogs, the broth. They're not just any hot dogs. We are going to make where they could create their own hot dog that feels gourmet. The Tex-Mex dog, the Hawaiian hot dog, the chili dog, the Chicago style dog, the slaw dog. So side dishes. We're definitely doing potato salad. Jonah loves potato salad, so that was a definite must for him. Macaroni salad, fruit salad. Then we're gonna do coleslaw. That could be either a side dish or a topping. I'm definitely gonna make my own veggie tray because honestly, they're so expensive. I'm gonna make my own, and that way I have extra veggies for all week. Okay, for drinks, I did pick up some sodas at a sale earlier. You might have already seen that video, go check it out. I went and stocked up for the summer on barbecue sauces, mayos, Miracle Whips, dressings. Right now is the best time to stock up on these items, so constantly be looking at your store sales, you guys. You could score big right now in the summer to last you the rest of the year for all those yummy barbecue dishes that you want to do. Now that we know what we're going to be making, I have a menu plan. I want to shop my shelves first. Let's go check out what I already have. Okay, for ketchup, shop my shelves. So we need to rotate these and bring things forward. But I already have ketchup. For the Boston baked beans, we are going to need Great Northern beans. Got it. Kidney beans. And the Bush's baked beans here. And we have more back there. I have lots of chili on my shelf for the chili dogs. The Hawaiian hot dog needs pineapple. Got it. The chili con queso one needs diced chilies. That whole row down here is green chilies. Got it. Barbecue sauce. I have a lot of barbecue sauce. So all that here and a few open ones in the refrigerator, so we're good. We need mayo for the potato salad and macaroni salad. I got that, and I have more that I need to put on my shelf that is not here. For my potato salad, I already have the pickles as well. Got them on the sale. So we are stocked up on pickles. I have elbow macaroni already in our food storage, and I have the ground beef and bacon for the Boston baked beans already. So basically, what I am looking for is the coleslaw. I would like to get a watermelon, and maybe some pineapple, bananas, things for the veggie tray, probably broccoli, carrots. I don't know. I'm probably gonna get all that at Costco because I can get more for my money. So maybe some mini peppers. We're gonna head to Costco, then Smith's, and then we'll pop right back here and I'll share the whole haul with prices for you. With the bottled water, we're gonna get Crystal Light packets out. There's 60. There's lemonade, fruit punch, raspberry lemonade, and wild strawberry. And that way they can put some flavoring in their water, especially if they don't want soda. And for this 60 pack, it is $8.99. It's for $3.59. I'm just gonna grab the Grandma Sycamore buns. This bread is so good. There's 16 to a pack. So I'll grab some of those. And then for the brats, I'm gonna grab the bigger buns, or if anyone wants to use the bigger buns for their hot dogs with all the add-ons. Costco, these are their sandwich rolls, and this is what they serve their hot dogs in at the food court. $5.29 for blueberries. Ouch. All right, I just finished up here at Costco. I'll show you everything I bought, but before I do, I want to share with you some new furniture that works perfect for all our summer parties, and it arrived just in time for Jonah's graduation party. If you're looking to be outside with your family this summer, look no further than Outer. What I was seeing all over the internet and social media, people really do love Outer. They make the most durable, eco-conscious outdoor furniture, and their brand gives back to the environment. Here are the 3 reasons why Derek and I decided to go with the Outer furniture. It is super sustainable. This is their all-weathered wicker frame, and it's made from recycled plastic bottles. How cool is that? We looked up on how they were made, and they're made from the best materials. Their patented outer shell fabric is UV protected and stain resistant. The all-weathered wicker and the rust-proof legs makes them the most durable outdoor furniture brand. Outer is risk-free. If you're not liking your Outer furniture for any reason, they offer free return shipping and a 100-day money-back guarantee within 14 days of delivery. I'm already daydreaming about taking naps out here. No joke. Like, grab your nice blankets. Oh yeah, I am super excited about this. So don't wait, get $200 off and free shipping by visiting go.liveouter.com/she's-in-her-apron. That's go.liveouter.com/she's-in-her-apron. One of their recent collections sold out in 24 hours. Wowza. So get on this deal. Can I have a nap now? No? Oh my word. Nope, nope. After. Let's finish this party planning, okay? Oh, and thank you, Outer, for sponsoring today's video. Here is the Costco haul. It's a big one. And then we have Smith's. So 2 packages of the brats. There are 14 in each. And then we got the Kirkland sandwich rolls. And then I grabbed 3 packages of the Grandma Sycamore hot dog buns. The veggie trays at Smith's and Costco are ridiculously priced, so we're gonna do our own. I have a bag of fresh broccoli, mini peppers, 2 bags of mini cut and peeled carrots, a big watermelon. I pray that's sweet. I followed all the directions for a sweet watermelon, so we'll see. Big bag of russet potatoes for potato salad. Some guacamole. There's 3 big cups in here. The spinach artichoke parmesan spread, and then we're gonna try it, the fried pickle and ranch dip, the white queso with green chilies, the mango salsa. Oh, that stuff's so good. And then the sauerkraut, celery sticks, grapes. The strawberries looked beautiful, so 2 of those. The bacon crumbles. And dessert, we have the cookies. These are their chocolate chip cookies. And I grabbed their graduation cake. This is a 10-inch white cake filled with vanilla cheesecake mousse. And then, of course, their original cheesecake. The Crystal Light packets, there's 60 in there. 2 packages, 40 each, so 80 bottles of water. And they could put this in there if they want that. Or they could have soda. Oh, that's from Smith's. That's not from Costco. 1 root beer, 1 7-Up Zero, Dr. Pepper Zero with cherry, and Dr. Pepper Zero cream soda. And then 2 gallons of milk. This is the Costco haul. Okay, the last of the food haul, Smith's. Ran in there. I got the frozen sliced strawberries for the cheesecake. I like the frozen kind, and then get them thawed, put a little sugar in a bowl. They're great. And then, because we'll save the other strawberries for the fruit salad. Yes, I bought a ton of pickles recently, but I wanted the Clausen pickles because they're hard to crunch and they're gonna go really good with, I think it's the New York hot dog that we're doing. Cream cheese for the jalapeno popper hot dog. 2 pineapples. Cherry for the cheesecake as well. And 3 bags of the coleslaw. And hot dogs. They're not the ones I wanted. Costco's brand hot dogs were way too expensive. These for $5, the 20 count, the jumbo jumbos. Look how big these are. Holy moly. And then the 40 count of the normal size. Some pepper jack cheese, and then Parmesan cheese for the Caesar salad. Mild banana pepper rings. Oh yes. All these things are going on the dogs. This is the sliced tamed jalapeno peppers, medium heat. I don't want to go too crazy. Sliced pepperoncinis, and then we have Dijon mustard, horseradish mustard, spicy brown mustard, sweet relish, toothpicks, sliced olives, more dill relish. We will go through this fast this summer. 2 dills and a chipotle mayonnaise, bananas, blueberries, grape tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, green peppers, 2 of them, cilantro, more yellow onion, cucumbers, ice cream for root beer floats, and then we have Fritos that are going on a certain hot dog, and then the croutons for the Caesar salad. So we're good to go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I do want to decorate a little. I know the kid doesn't care. He just doesn't care. Supposedly there's a helium shortage, or at least here in Utah, so I was able to get my hands on 1 balloon. But it's a good one, it's a big one. At Smith's I grabbed these dessert napkins. This just got real. At Hobby Lobby, I think the rest of the stuff is all from Hobby Lobby. This frame here, so tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up his pictures. Class of 2022, the tassel was worth the hassle. These little hat stands, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. We'll figure it out. A graduation garland. And this has all of these little toppers here. We might end up using them. I'm gonna fill this bucket up. And then these I grabbed at Hobby Lobby while I was there. This metal flag and Home of the Brave. And some tablecloths. So 2 white ones, 3 yellow. I think I'm gonna put the yellow on here. It's not his school colors. I did like more of an army theme for the army. And this, look at this sign I got. Oh, so cute. And then for the hot dogs, I thought if anyone just wants a hot dog, Hobby Lobby had these. I wanted to run to Sam's Club, but I just didn't have time. They actually have like the hot dog holders, but there's in each package there's 20, so I grabbed those. Derek picked up the sign and a big banner. It's so good. They did such a good job on it. So on it, we're celebrating his high school graduation and the exciting times of him going into the Army. Yes, our son signed up for the Army. So proud of him. He's super excited. Military is what he has had on his radar since he was a little boy, and we're just so thrilled for him. All right, we are so excited about his party. I'm excited to show you what went on, so stay tuned for that video because it's coming. Okay, I have a video here for you on the sales that I just did to stock up my pantry for the summer and the rest of the year. Go check that out right here. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and let me know what parties are you planning for this summer and what are you gonna do for them? Leave it down below. All right, friends, we'll see you later. Bye.